At the moment, we have a main component with sidebar and chat components in it. Sidebar and chat aren't even side by side. It'd be cool if they were at least side by side. So maybe we could put just enough CSS in this thing to make that work. I'm sorry? I took the word out. I just have sidebar and chat in here now inside main.js. Doesn't matter a whole lot. It's all kind of going away eventually. So let's see. If we look at chat static, if I look at what's in static.css. So here are some global styles. Looks like we've got a Google font, and we have the body tag styled. So let's see if we can do that. So just copy this one line out of static.css. I will paste that into Slack. So if you don't have it open, you don't have to worry too much about it. And there is an index.css in here. I don't think I'm going to use it. I think I'm going to use app.js for this. So an app.css. There's app.css, and we emptied it out completely, right? So let's go ahead and put that in there, that import statement, and let's go ahead and put the body styles in there. I'm not going to put all those import statements. That's not going to fly in our React project because we don't have all those files. But I'll just style import to pull in a Google font, and then we'll style the body element. So here's all that CSS. Margin 0, and tell it to use this Raleway font. And it doesn't look a lot different, but the font's different. So that's something. And why does app CSS even work? Why does that load anything? In app.js, we import that file. We don't port anything from it. We don't say import app from app CSS. We just import app CSS. The way that our build is configured, if you import some CSS into JavaScript, it'll just do the right thing. But keep in mind, it is not actually doing anything to scope that CSS to this component. That just happens to be the file in which we're importing it. There's nothing magic about that. That doesn't mean that these styles won't apply to other components. You could import this file in main. You could import this file in sidebar.css or something like that. Doesn't matter. It's still going to be a global style sheet. But it can be convenient for the sake of just keeping your files organized to have separate CSS files for components. But there is a way that we can actually have our styles scoped to a specific component. So we'll do that next. So I will style the body and add Raleway font.